Let's get started. A quick talk about the exam and what to expect. The exam expects you to know more than just memorizing things. It expects you to know how to use the features of Laravel and why. You should follow this course in line with the documentation. We'll cover the main topics in each section, but you should read the whole section within the manual too. There will be a test at the end of each section to see if you've mastered what you've learned. Do each section and try not to skip ahead and take the test. In the first section of the course, we'll cover setting up your local machine to run Laravel. For a lot of you already experienced with Laravel, this might be something you've already done, in which case you can skip straight to the test at the end of this section. However, remember, it's important to learn more than just Laravel when trying to pass the exam. Although the exam questions are almost entirely about Laravel, they do expect you to know things that a developer would be expected to know. Things like Composer, Homestead, and more. So if you'd like a refresher course on setting up Laravel and Homestead, I'd encourage you to keep watching. For my local environment, for the rest of this course, I'll be working with Windows. If you're using a Mac or Linux, then the setup should be very similar. I personally prefer to use Mac or Linux for development, but I understand that some users like the simplicity that Windows provides. Great! Now we are ready to get started. In the next video, we'll start looking into Composer and why you should be using it to install Laravel.